what would I do without this ability? I'd be a very sad man. I ain't got time to fuck around. Oh, what's that? Apt AS4. That should be a powerhouse. Never seen that before. The car is not you know, crazy expensive in itself, but I think the Apt tuning costs a shit ton. I still haven't found a car I want to buy, so I don't know. I can't make up my mind. I swear, at one point I'm just gonna get a fucking Lada, because I can't decide what I want. There's so many choices anyway. I just don't know. Dog. Look at that dog. That dog is amazing. Give it a lick. It tastes just like wet dog, actually. It doesn't taste like raisins. It's awful weather. And there's traffic jams to no end. Wow, this is very bad. It's not good at all. So much less than good. Oh, my balls are wet. I'm gonna be sick for sure, if not crippled. Probably gonna be crippled. Oh Lord. Would you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Or a dry pair of underpants? That would do well too. Well, I'm just gonna sit around in here for a while. Jesus Christ. That is just terrible. Oh, oh, my balls. It isn't probably wise to hang around though. I'm gonna have to get home, get a warm pair of underpants, because otherwise it's not gonna get any better. I'm just gonna get cold and, you know, might lose my genital abilities. I don't want that. I'm gonna get ball cancer and everything's wet. Can't see shit, can't put the visor down because then I'll see even less. And the rain is just like sharp needles, just somebody's poking sharp needles in your face. Not good. Oh, that's just perfect. Stayed work late. It was raining all day, and I left, got all wet, fucking soaking wet, and I'm probably gonna get cancer of all sorts. And just when I reach home, or get near to reaching home anyway, it bloody stops. I mean, I'm happy it stopped, but come on. Like, that was 5-minute difference. I could have made it home safer, and dry, but no, can't do that. Gotta fucking soak that bastard. Probably deserved it though. That's karma, I'm telling ya.